Gonna roll this. Take one. Okay. Actually, let's turn around. Let's go on have this as a little bit better background. All right. What's up, everyone? I am in New York.
Hi guys.
This is
Tashi.
We just met. She's everything. She just got booked for something right now, so she has to run off really soon. So how long you been modeling?
Around 4 years.
4 years. Oh wow. Where are you from?
Ukraine.
Okay, so I'm going to tell you what I told her. I've been shooting with a lot of Russian and Ukrainian models in LA, and I did not know she's Ukrainian. Apparently, it's just a thing, okay? Because I had no idea. Anyways, I love it here in New York so far, but it's freezing cold. I can't feel my face.
Really cold, but we're gonna make it work.
Yeah, and look at her outfit. So you can't put on that many layers in LA, okay? You'll like burn to death. 48 hours ago, I was in my shorts running around the beach. Now I can't feel my fingers, but it's great here. The pizza here is really good. The Sbarros, mwah!
Yeah.
So good. If they had a ball pit, it would be perfect. I think some New Yorkers are gonna be super pissed about that. Anyway. All right, so we're at the Brooklyn Bridge. We're gonna get some shots and let's see how that goes.
Yeah, I'm ready. Really excited.
Let's go. Full body shots. Gorgeous. Love it. Love that. Can you give me that turn a little bit? That little bit of a turn. Nice.
Sexual and bad, and now you got this on your conscience, because now I'm unresponsive. Oh.
Wow, we got a lot right. Hold 1 second, I'm gonna switch out lenses.
Run through the fire, I'll walk the wire. I would say
Nice.
everything I own. I'd swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd tell my soul to take you
Give
home.
me that over your shoulder and then eyes off. I like it. Very nice.
Can feel the flow.
Can you do a little bit, almost like off the shoulders for one side? Yeah, there we go.
As you watch me bleed, every
Go ahead and give me a little bit more of your front now.
is a symphony.
Oh, very cool.
Your curves is the air I breathe. You speak, I am listening. Sweat rolls, girl, you're glistening. Slow mo, pull me into the light, the light. There are people watching us, wishing they were obvious.
Good catch.
Instead of giving into the fright, the fright. Run through the fire, I'll walk the wire. I would sell everything.
I think we're good. We got a lot so fast right now. You're really great. Okay, I don't know if you can hear us over all that subway noise, but where are we?
In Dumbo. That's the famous Instagram spot.
Right there.
I mean, like for that frame, we have to move to the middle of the road.
Yeah.
But there are a lot of people right now.
Is this still considered part of the, we're in the middle of a polar vortex right now? I can't talk, my tongue is frozen. But it's so cool. But yeah, we're at the Instagram spot. I wanted to do like, oh man, I ran into like the tourist spot. I was like, we're gonna get some like shoots here, see how far we can really push this. All right, because we got great models, so let's do it.
For if you saw her shake, shake, shake. We can feel the flow underneath our
Love it.
feet. I am listening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. You are glistening. We can feel the flow.
Doing wide angle, full distortion, shooting down low. For a lot of models, it doesn't work. For her, it works great. Just gonna step off a little bit this side. Great.
Run through the fire, out the wire. I would say everything I own.
Let's go and use that wall now. See how that looks. Love it. Nice. Love that. Great. Very lifestyle-ish. I love it. Yeah, hey, go ahead and lean on, like, say, forward. Lean really forward. Let's see what it looks like for you. Great. Oh, I like the way you're kind of looking off that way. And we are good. Great. Go ahead and lean against that thing. Let's see what it looks like. Give me the other side. Yeah. Love it. Is it really cold? You need 10 seconds? Close your eyes, warm it up. Nice. The wind's working for you really well. Cool. Go ahead and turn off a tiny bit to the side, just a little bit. Great. And got it. Okay. All right, let's move on to the side of the corner. Give him a small smile, almost a wink. And a few more. Great. Got it.
Like a fever, burning in my bones, a true believer. When you're coming close, light up like neon, caught in your afterglow. Babe, you're a new song, singing back on your echo. Can't let you go. Rhythm of your love got me singing.
Right, back in the game.
Can't get enough. Rhythm of your love, singing back on your echo.
I love this winter wonderland kind of look for you. Oh, that was great. Nice. Let's go and take off the jacket on this one. Is that okay? I know you're cold. Think of like the cute boy next door, like you're almost trying to flirt with him. Love it. Got it. That's good. And a couple more. It's gonna be half body. I love that. Play that hair again. I love that. Got it. We're good. That is a wrap. So we're calling it a wrap, and And this right here, how cold are you? A little bit cold?
I'm that cold. I'm this cold.
So
Look.
everything you just saw was a lie. That was her being a trooper. This is the reality. This is the glamorous reality
New York winter.
of a photo shoots. Okay. How was it?
It was amazing. It was a lot of fun, even though it was cold, but I enjoyed it.
She was such a trooper. She's so professional. She's so fast. I think this is literally the smoothest shoot I've had. I'm not joking,
thank
okay?
you.
And then she's in demand, so we have to get her off because she's going off to some show or whatever. But that's how it works, all right? You work with professionals, you deal with it. Your schedule's getting thrown off. They're too busy. They're too cool for you, okay? But yeah, no, she was wonderful, obviously, and I thank you so much for shooting, coming out to shoot with me. Loved it, and we're gonna go sign off. We're gonna go get some hot chocolate. All right. You have an Instagram and everything?
I do.
gonna
It's
put it down
Tashi
there.
Mak, TASHIMAKH, all together.
I'm just gonna put the link here, and you can follow that. Okay. All right, we're signing off. See you guys next time.
Bye, guys.
We're done with the shoot. We're in the cafe where it's actually warm, and that was cold. It was cold. It's not Ukraine cold.
It's worse.
You know, like
It's worse than Ukraine.
Really?
Yes.
But Ukraine, that's how you stop Hitler.
To be honest, our air is drier, so you don't feel the cold like you feel it here in New York.
My camera's fogging up. If it looks really like fuzzy, it's because the lens is fogging up. That's how cold it is. But yeah, she's a trooper. We're getting like food. So yeah, that's all I paid her. That's all I paid her.